Today, we're taking a closer look at the durable 2PCS 1.25G single-mode fiber SC Simplex connector 1000-base BiDi transceiver module, also known as the SFP-BX03D. This product brings remarkable versatility and performance for network professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. Designed to meet the demands of modern communication systems, this transceiver module is ideal for network setups that require both reliability and flexibility. One of the standout features of this module is its ability to be reprogrammed. You can easily modify these transceivers for operation at 100 mm, making them an adaptable choice for various hardware environments. Additionally, the capability to reprogram the device ensures hardware compatibility with other brand devices, which is a significant advantage for users wanting to integrate it into an already established network. If you are looking to blend different systems without the hassle of compatibility issues, this feature is a real game changer. From a performance standpoint, the module boasts a data rate of 1.25 gigabits per second, which is perfect for ensuring swift and stable data transmission over single-mode fibers. It operates on dual wavelengths, 1310 nm, 1550 nm, rather than simply one wavelength, thereby maximizing efficiency and reducing signal interference. With a reach of up to 3 kilometers, this transceiver is optimized for short to medium-range networking projects, such as in-office network backbones or industrial applications where reliable connections are critical. In real-life scenarios, users have noted that the module performs admirably under a variety of network configurations. Its rugged design and robust construction contribute to consistent performance, even in environments with moderate interference or fluctuating network loads. However, it is important to consider that while the reprogrammable feature is beneficial, it may require users to have a certain level of technical savvy to properly configure the device for optimal performance. Compared to similar products in the market, the SFP-BX03D distinguishes itself with broader compatibility and an enhanced range of operational settings. Many competing transceivers are locked into fixed operational modes, making them less adaptable in multi-vendor systems. Yet a potential drawback is that those unfamiliar with programming transceivers might initially find the configuration process somewhat challenging. For those who wish to maximize the performance of this module, it is recommended to fully familiarize yourself with the product's configuration documentation and consider incorporating professional network management tools for smooth integration. In conclusion, the durable 2PCS 1.25G transceiver module is a smart solution for anyone needing a combination of reliability, flexibility, and compatibility in their network infrastructure. This product is highly recommended for network administrators, IT professionals, and technology enthusiasts looking to expand or upgrade a small to medium-scale fiber network.